Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vestas 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 19 of Build Your Very Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by the wonderful folks over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to build along with me this massive 1/6 scale, yes, 1/6 scale, click this link all the way along here. Head over to DeAgostini's website and take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful Shelby. You will not be disappointed, folks. Just have a quick perusal through the magazine. You've got the SVT Mustangs in the 90s. Ford set up a new department, the Special Vehicles team, with the aim of developing specially tuned versions of existing models. This led to the appearance of even more powerful Mustangs produced by SVT until 2013, folks. You've got the SVT's Cobra R there. 2004 SVT Mustang Cobra was among the last Mustangs to come off the line at Ford's Dearborn plant before production was transferred to the Flat Rock facility. Over here you've got created on the base of the Mustang GT even, and also available as a convertible, as in the photograph, 2003 SVT Mustang Cobra and a supercharged 4.6 litre Terminator V8 engine, developing 390 brake horsepower. That's a beast, isn't it? Especially in a wedge. This is what you're going to be building today. You're building the front right seat backrest. You're going to have your pieces there, your piece of foam, your trim and all of the badges plus your screws, and then you've got concise instructions there telling us how we're going to be putting this together. This is what you'll end up with as a final result, and there's where the assembly is located in your Shelby GT500, folks, just there. This is the Ford GTX1 concept, open to the sky. Yes, folks, look at that. Isn't it, eh? Look at the seats. The interior remained unchanged with the same seats, but included a hook for one of the roof pieces above the driver and the preparer's nameplate on the door frame. And it was inspired by the classic Roadster. It's got a peculiar roof, yes, folks. It really has got a bizarre looking roof there, in it, the way that just double dips down. I do like it though. But yeah, concept's roofless configuration offered two options: fully convertible or a T-top, which maintained the central structure shown below right, which is this one. There you go. Car's imposing rear showing the projection behind each seat. This changed the GT's overall look while maintaining its sporty appearance, yes. And there's the SEMA Technology Initiative. Good motor show to go to, that, folks. If you're stateside, go to SEMA. You know you want to. So that's the magazine done. So let's flick back and have a little looky-kins. And we can get all our bits and bobs ready. Start a little bit of building, folks. Just going to do my usual, put that to the back. And then grab our pieces. Rightio, folks. This is what we've got then. We've got the backrest frame that will go in on this rubber section, just like so. And if you remember, these just roll up and this will rest underneath that lip, folks, okay? So I tend to go right in at the top first, and then I'll work myself along and then quickly spin it and then do the same there. And it will literally just pop straight in, like that, okay? That's what you want there. You then want piece 19E, which is this little piece of trim. And that'll press in there, like so. What that gives you when you turn it round is it gives you that little inlay just there, okay? That's what you want there. And then you want to place the right front seat backrest trim on the back of the backrest. It says identify the 4 attachment points indicated in the picture and put the trim in position before securing it with 4 PS4 screws, folks. You want to go in that way with the curves facing away from you. Okay? Grab your screwdriver. And we'll put a bit of oil on. I've got my oiler just to the left there, so let's bring that over. So. And we'll start putting these screws in, folks. Really straightforward issue, this one. Like that. And I'm doing these so that they bite. I'm not going mega tight because I don't want to damage anything. Do the diagonals on this. Click that into place. And just work your way in. Just like so. And then work my way back round to the other side. In there. Turn that round that way. Press that on my thumb. And then the last screw. Same process, bit of oil. Like that. And send that home as well. There you go. That's that piece of trim in now. And then you want to place your piece of foam in place. Got your little cutout there that sits over this. So just press that in place like so. And that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Little seat there with the bit of foam in, but it just gives that little bit of give. Okay? That's what you're going to end up with on this issue. Already, it's a seat, isn't it? What can I say? So, if you want to subscribe, head over to the fan home website. Click this link just along here. Just like so. Head over and take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/6 scale Shelby GT500. In the meantime, remember to click the button in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out massively. And until the next issue, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.